What if your Christmas dinner table could stop conversations? Not because of what's served, but because of how breathtaking it looks? Imagine the glow of candles reflecting off crystal glasses, the soft shimmer of gold and red, and the scent of pine, cinnamon, and roasted goodness filling the air. Your Christmas table isn't just where you eat. It's where you gather, laugh, and make memories that last a lifetime. So, how do you create a table setting that feels warm, elegant, and unforgettable this holiday season? In this video, I'm sharing the secrets to styling a Christmas table that everyone will remember, from cozy rustic setups to luxurious festive spreads. So grab your cocoa, turn up the carols, and let's make your table shine with Christmas magic. How do you personalize your Christmas table to make it special? A table that tells your story is what makes the holiday truly yours. Personal touches create connection. You can make name cards by hand, using recycled paper or small wooden tags. Write each guest's name and place them near their plate with a tiny ornament or pine sprig. It makes everyone feel seen and valued. Add small keepsakes, perhaps a handwritten note of gratitude or a miniature candy jar that guests can take home. These thoughtful gestures turn your table into more than decor. It becomes an experience. Photographs can also make a touching addition. Frame small pictures of family memories or hang them along a garland running across the table. Every detail reminds your guests that Christmas is about love and presents, not just presents. Check the description for the products as seen in video so you can recreate these personal touches yourself. How can scent enhance your Christmas table setting? When people walk into a room, the first thing they notice isn't always what they see, it's what they smell. A festive scent completes the experience. You can achieve this naturally with candles, potpourri, or even simmer pots. Combine orange slices, cinnamon sticks, and cloves in a pot of water, and let it simmer gently before your guests arrive. The aroma instantly wraps the room in comfort. Fresh greenery like pine and eucalyptus also release subtle, refreshing scents that blend beautifully with the warmth of your meal. If you use candles, opt for soy or beeswax ones with gentle, natural fragrances. Nothing too overpowering, just enough to make your guests feel embraced by the spirit of Christmas. Don't forget to like and share this video if you can almost smell the Christmas magic already. Why does your Christmas table decor matter so much? The table is the heart of every Christmas celebration. It's where stories unfold, where laughter rings out, and where everyone feels like they belong. But the right decor doesn't just make your dinner look beautiful, it sets the emotional tone for the entire evening. When your table is thoughtfully styled, it instantly feels like an invitation to slow down, connect, and celebrate the moment. It can turn even a simple meal into something meaningful. The lighting, colors, and textures you choose all tell a story, one of warmth, love, and togetherness. Your Christmas decor becomes a reflection of your family's personality. Whether it's elegant and modern or rustic and handmade, the table you create becomes part of your holiday tradition, the backdrop for memories you'll cherish every year. If you want your Christmas table to feel magical this year, tap the like button, and let's keep that holiday inspiration flowing. What if your Christmas dinner table could stop conversations? Not because of what's served, but because of how breathtaking it looks? Imagine the glow of candles reflecting off crystal glasses, the soft shimmer of gold and red, and the scent of pine, cinnamon, and roasted goodness filling the air. Your Christmas table isn't just where you eat. It's where you gather, laugh, and make memories that last a lifetime. So, how do you create a table setting that feels warm, elegant, and unforgettable this holiday season? In this video, I'm sharing the secrets to styling a Christmas table that everyone will remember, from cozy rustic setups to luxurious festive spreads. So grab your cocoa, turn up the carols, and let's make your table shine with Christmas magic. How do you style your tableware and place settings? Your plates, cutlery, and napkins might seem small in detail, but they carry the biggest impact. Start with layering. A charger plate beneath your dinner plate adds instant depth and luxury. Choose materials that match your theme: wood for rustic charm, silver for sophistication, or matte ceramics for a modern touch. Napkins can transform everything. Fold them simply and tie with a ribbon, a twig of rosemary, or a cinnamon stick for a cozy, aromatic touch. If you want a more refined look, use napkin rings made from gold, velvet, or natural twine. Mixing old and new pieces gives your table character. Maybe you use your grandmother's cutlery with modern plates. It creates a story that blends tradition with your own style. Every piece has a purpose, but together, they create harmony. Comment below and tell me, are you going for rustic, modern, or traditional vibes for your Christmas table this year? How can you make your table decor eco-friendly and sustainable? Going green doesn't mean sacrificing beauty. In fact, natural decor often looks even more elegant. Instead of plastic garlands or synthetic flowers, use real greenery, pine cones, or dried elements. They not only look gorgeous but can be composted afterward. Use cloth napkins instead of paper, and reusable glass jars instead of disposable containers. You can also upcycle items from around your home. Empty wine bottles can become candle holders, mason jars can double as vases, and leftover fabric can be turned into table runners. Creativity and sustainability go hand in hand. It's all about seeing beauty in simplicity. Want more eco-friendly decor ideas? Check the description for my sustainable Christmas decorating guide. And that's how you create a Christmas table that doesn't just look stunning. It feels alive. Every candle, every plate, every little ribbon plays a part in a story of warmth, love, and celebration. Your table is more than a design. It's where connection happens, where laughter echoes, and where every meal becomes a memory. Whether your style is simple, glamorous, or rustic, what matters most is the feeling it creates. So this Christmas, let your table reflect who you are. Let it sparkle with personality, scent, and soul. Because when people sit down at a table made with love, they don't just see beauty, they feel it. Merry Christmas. And may your home be filled with laughter, gratitude, and that unmistakable glow of holiday joy.